Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy from a machine. Start by preheating the machine for a few minutes so the bowl reaches the right temperature. Always follow the manufacturer's safety steps, including securing the bowl and using the proper scoop for sugar. Keep hair tied back and avoid loose clothing. Gather paper cones or sticks, measured sugar, and optional flavor drops before spinning your first batch. In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy from a machine. Start by measuring the sugar precisely and mixing any flavor or color in a separate cup. Use about 2 to 3 scoops per batch depending on machine capacity and avoid overfilling the spinner head. Gently pour sugar into the center while the head is warm and spinning. Listen for steady humming. Adjust heat or speed if threads appear thick. In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy from a machine. Start by holding a paper cone vertically and touch it near the spinner rim to catch the first wisps. Slowly rotate the cone while moving it outward to gather more fluffy strands, building layers until you reach the desired size. Use gentle tapping to compact the sugar and smooth the outside. Serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.